Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open an Ethereum wallet. First, you'll want to understand the different types available, such as hardware, software, or even paper wallets, each offering unique benefits. Think about what level of security and convenience you need. Then, research and choose a reputable wallet provider. Look for strong community reviews and a proven track record to ensure your assets are safe. Once you've picked a wallet, the next step is setting it up. If it's a software wallet, download and install the official application. You'll then create a strong, unique password, make it complex. Most importantly, you'll receive a recovery phrase, usually 12 or 24 words. Write this down and store it in a very secure, offline location. This phrase is your ultimate backup. Now that your wallet is set up, it's time to fund it. Find your unique Ethereum wallet address within the application. This is like your bank account number for crypto. You can then purchase Ethereum from a cryptocurrency exchange and send it directly to this address. Practice sending and receiving small amounts first to get comfortable with the process and ensure everything works smoothly. Security is paramount. Never, ever share your private key or recovery phrase with anyone, as this grants full access to your funds. Always enable two-factor authentication wherever possible for an extra layer of protection. Keep your software updated and be wary of phishing attempts. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Stay safe and enjoy your journey into the world of Ethereum.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.